Respected students, welcome back everyone. So today's video is about the top 5 Microsoft certifications which are required to become a Power BI architect in future or even a BI lead architect as well. So I am going to tell you top 5 Microsoft certification exam, each and every proper certification name and even the exam pattern I am going to tell you, okay? So stay till end, and the last 2 certifications which are there, those are technically quite strong to even get a package of 40, 50, 60 LP in India, I am telling, okay? So see, first thing is this, all the exams which are there, those are like total passing score is 700 out of 1000, and 1 to 1.5 hours of duration is there, and even you can conduct that from your home also, you can give from your own home online, okay? Just you need a passport and Aadhaar card, PAN card you should have properly, okay? And proper laptop with internet connection you should have, okay? So now let's start with this video. But if you are new on our channel, make sure to subscribe and press bell icon for all upcoming videos, and follow us on social media, especially Instagram. So see, the first certification is Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL300. Earlier it was known as DA100, but like from last 5 years or before 5 years, it changed to PL300. Even I have passed that exam 5 times. So see, this exam is very important when it comes to if you want to become a Power BI architect, because it is completely of Power BI, that exam, and definitely you will have a questions from query editor, BI desktop and BI service. Properly 25-30% each and everything it will have. It has 2 sections, where second section is of case studies, and if you have worked real time on Power BI project in company, or while practicing, if you are learning Power BI, if you have at least created 3 to 5 reports, then definitely, and if you have good knowledge about Power BI end to end, you will definitely pass that exam. You can watch our playlist, okay? I have given 40 to 50 questions, 100% 10 to 12 questions will come from that. You can watch our Microsoft exam playlist to conquer this PL300 exam, okay? So the first certification is PL300. Second is DP900, okay? For one more thing I want to add, when I am telling any Microsoft exam which has 900 at the end, it is fundamental exams, okay, which will have a theoretical questions most of. And the best part about this certification is that it doesn't have any expiration. The validity is like lifetime, you will get a lifetime validity. This is the best part about 900 fundamental exam. So the second certification was DP900. So DP900 is about, see, you will it will be like data concepts will be there, like types of data, structure, unstructured, semi-structured, data warehousing concept, batch processing, okay, whatever the data related, like categorical data, slowly changing dimension, all those things, data warehousing concept, it will be there in this exam, okay? Again, I am telling 80 to 90% theoretical questions are there. This is one of the simple exam, I will tell you, okay, from my experience. Within just 4-5 days of study, I have conquered this exam in 2023. Yeah, correct, 2023. So that's the best part about DP900 fundamentals, okay? And definitely it will make your resume stronger. And while the introduction, till that you are having advanced knowledge about data concepts if when you will pass this exam, okay? So third certification is AI 900, Artificial Intelligence 900. Again, fundamentals, it will have machine learning, computer vision, image generation. Now you all know that ChatGPT and Gemini can create the images also. So these types of natural NLP which is there, okay? So all these concepts will be there in this AI 900 certification, okay? And the best part is, like, if you will do this certification, they will consider you like you have good knowledge about AI when it comes to data analytics project and Power BI. You also know that right now in April 2026, when it comes to Power BI, there are few visuals like key influencer, smart narrative, okay, Copilot with Power BI is there, Cloudy with Power BI, MCT, all those things have been launched nowadays. So this AI 900 is definitely going to help you, and even it will make your resume stronger, okay? So now last 2 certifications which I have told you that stay till end, those are DP600 and PL100. So DP600, earlier it was known as DP500, now it has been vanished. Now only DP600 is there. It is one of the toughest Microsoft exam. I am openly telling you. It is not like you will study for 5-6 days. It will require proper more than a month study. You should have idea about Fabric, Microsoft Fabric. This is related to Microsoft Fabric analytics exam, okay? Certification DP600, 0.00. Okay, this is one of the toughest. It will have topics like lake house, data flow, SQL analytics, endpoint, okay, self-service data set, all those concepts which are there, how this fabric was made, and related to especially analytics, not data engineering part, that notebooks and not all those. It will have related syllabus questions related to analytics part only, okay, reporting. But this is one of the toughest exam. Okay, you can learn from where to study. Definitely you can study from our YouTube channel, Microsoft official website. 2-3 best websites are there on Google. From there you can learn. Udemy's best course, if any course is having 4+ rating and at least 100+ students have rated 4+, then you can study from there also. LinkedIn is also there. LinkedIn is also having best resources for this certifications. Okay, DP 600. And the last one, which is game changer, and this last two certifications which are there, when you will become architect, definitely you will get a package between 40 to 60 LP in India. Okay, confidently I am telling you this on camera. So coming to last certification is PL100, which is related to Power Platform, Power Apps and Power Automate. Okay, even PL900 is there, which is fundamental. But let me tell you, Power Automate and Power Apps, when you are doing certification, it is always better to do a certification related to development and maker, like if any changes you are practically doing. So 900 is only related to fundamentals concept, but PL100 is related to exactly, means case studies will be there. If any situation is there in Canvas app, model driven app, in Power Automate you are creating flows, trigger flow, schedule flow. You know that if Excel is your data set, okay, then how to update the data with help of Power Automate only we update that. Okay, if you want to see a schedule refresh, if it is success in Power BI, it is giving mails for refresh failure but not for success. So in case this, definitely Power Automate is helping. Power Apps, you can create a mobile layout app from that. 3 types of apps are there. So this PL100 is definitely going to help you. And let me tell you story of one of my friend, not subscriber, one of my friend. He was having 1717 LPA, okay, as a senior Power BI developer. But when he had studied Power Apps and Power Automate and become a Power Platform engineer, even he conquered this PL100 exam also. His package went to 32 LPA. 17 2s are 34, just 2 LPA less, almost 90-95% hike he has got. That's the power of this Power BI plus Power Automate plus Power Apps, Power Platform Engineer. So these are the 5 certifications which will definitely help you to become a Power BI architect in future. Okay, so make sure one by one you are doing. In every year you can give 2 exams. Start with PL300, and if you have given this PL300, the second certification should be DP900. Don't go directly to DP600 or PL100. No, after PL300 you should go for a fundamental exam only, fundamental certification, that is DP900. Okay, so this was all about today's video, and thanks for watching till end. One more thing I want to tell, like PL300 is not going to help you to get calls, interview calls, like you have conquered PL300 and from tomorrow you will suddenly, there will be rise in interview calls. Nothing will happen like that. Out of 10, only 2 companies are helping to like, means only checking if PL300 certification is there or not. Okay, but it is going to help you in client interviews, in RFP tenders when we are filling in company. If PL300 certification is there, definitely it is helping. Okay, so this was all about today's video. So thanks for watching till end, and if you are having any doubt, comment in comment section. Within 1 hour I will reply you. And please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for all videos, and follow us on social media, especially Instagram. Thank you everyone.